Hi, I'm Matt Nyer. I'm Senior Applications Engineer for Makino, and I'm here for your today's tech tip, which is going to be when do I use a vision system and when do I use the NC4 to do my broken tool checking? And what's the difference? So first off, we need to understand that the vision system, which is a camera in the back, it's outside the machining area. Why would I want to use it? Because it will save you time, and quite a bit if you have a lot of tool changes or do a lot of checking for broken tools, okay? There are some limitations to it. It is a silhouette, so we need solid tools, larger than 3 millimeter, and we also can't have a real tight checking. Usually it's plus or minus 100 thousandths, or let's say 3 millimeters, for indicating whether it pulled out or it is broken, okay? How do we enable that? We go to our tool data page. Under our BTS column, we turn our motion to a 1. That means it exists, and we make sure we put tolerances in, plus and minus 3 for each. We don't worry about the length because I'm going to let it use the actual tool geometry to check against. And then when we do a tool change, what happens is it's going to do that check in the back. You'll hear a shutter open and close, you'll get a silhouette, and you'll get a value for the imaging length recorded. And as long as it's within those tolerances, we're good to go. So real quick, doesn't take any machining time. So now if we have smaller tools under 3 millimeter, or we need to do a broken tool check that is a much tighter tolerance than the 3 millimeter, this is when we're going to use the NC4. Okay, in order to use the laser system in the machine, we need to make sure this motion does not exist. Because when we use the broken tool check command, which is a G165, it checks to see if that is on, so it doesn't double the check, okay? It's nice because in your program, you can leave your G165s for the broken tool check, and you can decide at the machine whether or not you want to use the vision system or the NC4. So if you do have trouble with the vision camera, it's no big deal to just take the exist out or disable the BTS system in the tool data page, and then the laser takes over. So if we bring our tool back out, we're going to actually run our little broken tool program here. And if you see, right here is our G165. Now there's an optional tolerance. If we don't have an H value, it's going to use a 0.5 millimeter, approximately 20 thousandths for that check. Okay, it's only doing a broken tool check. G165 is a very robust function. If you want to do some more advanced things than just doing a broken tool check, pull the documentation out, look it up, your G165 that came with your Makino DA300, and you're going to learn a lot about what the capabilities are for broken tool checking on this machine, utilizing the laser system. So if we run this quick, we're going to come over. We do have to have a tool length active, so it pops out. That used our broken tool check within 20 thousandths, puts everything away. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of time to be saved if we can utilize the vision system. So once again, drills, taps, reamers, end mills, anything solid that I can put through the vision system that I need a basic check just to know if it's there or not, I'm using the vision system. Saves me a bunch of cycle time. That was today's tech tip: when to use our vision system versus when to use our NC4 laser system in the machine for broken tool checking.